Hallo, dit is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the fourth largest city of the Netherlands, right in the center of the country, which is Utrecht. This is the way us Dutchies say Utrecht. Utrecht. There is a very light emphasis on the first letter. Utrecht. Utrecht. All the letters will be pronounced. And yes, there is that famous Dutch ch at the end. Just keep trying. The Dutch really appreciate hearing that ch. Just imagine something stuck in your throat. Utrecht. Utrecht. I am going to visit Utrecht. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check it out. Tot ziens!